We are in a desert in Namibia. The Namib Desert is considered to be one of the oldest deserts in the world, if not the oldest. And it's a massive desert. And this property is called And Beyond, which is the company, Sossusvlei Desert Lodge. Sossuvlei is a famous region within Namibia for its sand dunes. And this is about 45 minutes or so away from Sossusvlei. And this area is sandwiched between Sossusvlei and Namibia Nature Reserve, which is where we were staying earlier at the Wowodan's property. Anyway, so this is And Beyond. They're known for their outdoor and nature lodges and camps, including numerous ones in Botswana and Tanzania, among other things. And we've stayed at several of them, including Ngorongoro Crater Lodge. And so anyways, this is their property in the Sossusvlei area in Namibia. And so this is room 7. These rooms were completely redone about 3.5 or maybe 4 years ago with it's a suite style. Let's see here, it was completely rebuilt from the ground up, and you can tell it's ultra modern. Whether you feel it's overbuilt and not fitting with the desert surroundings, you know, that's a judgment call. Anyways, so, but it is ultra luxurious, ultra comfortable, has all the modern amenities, air conditioning, which today is over 35 degrees, so it will definitely come in handy for us. So this is the main living area. With a spectacular view of the desert ahead, in front. So this is, you know, there's curtains, shelves so you can put all your stuff in. We haven't really settled our stuff down yet. And same goes for over there. On the other side, they do have full laundry service. They have robes, extra blankets, safe. A fireplace, which we're definitely not going to need at this time of year in January, which is midsummer by Southern Africa standards. So let's turn around, swing around, and have another view of the living area. That's what it looks like. It's in marked contrast with Wowodan's, which was very open to its environment, for better or for worse. We think it's in more ways than not for the better. There is the mini bar. We've got beer, water, gin, soda, fruits, yogurt. You have tea, coffee. Then you have Namibian rum and gin and other drinks. And then they have, you know, big mirror here, this table. What's cool, you'll notice, is they even have a painting kit. Should you get inspiration from the desert landscape and choose to want to draw something. So anyways, we come around here, zoom out, go wide. Let me see. All right. This is the wash basin. There is both an indoor and outdoor shower. This is an indoor one. And the outdoor one is out here. And this is the bathroom. And then we'll go out on the deck. But before we do, let's have one last look at the living area. All right, so there's several luxury properties in this area, this region of Namibia. The obvious competitor is Little Kulala, which is run and managed by a rival safari or luxury safari tour operator, Wilderness Safaris, which also has substantial operations in Namibia. Anyways, this is the deck, large sitting area, really nice pool. I mean, it's much more than the typical plunge pool. It's not a lap pool, but you can really spend some good quality time here. So here's the landscape. You know, in a way, it kind of reminds me, there's an equivalent, at least based on what I know, of Amangiri, which is the Amman property on the bordering Arizona and Utah, near Lake Powell and Antelope Canyon, Slot Canyon, among other places. What's remarkable about this is not the United States. This is Namibia, and they managed to pull off pretty incredible operations, both in terms of the physical plant. We just had lunch. It was incredible. And the quality of the food, as well as the presentation and everything, was very, very nice. So this would be a good option. Certainly looks to be that way for us. And Beyond Sossusvlei Desert Lodge in Namibia. Hope you enjoyed.